If you want to play two notes at the same time with one hand, it's very effective and can be very well, effective as making lines and chords. So in this case, I've got a high A and a E, and you can see that I'm splitting my fingers here. My index finger is on the A, and my ring finger is on the E. Again, I have to use my fingers kind of like a spring, and they are they're hitting and coming off of the notes immediately. You may also notice that my wrist is fairly flexible. It's not stiff like this when I'm playing the notes. So the flow of the hand has to be flexible, loose, but the fingers need to come up off of those notes kind of like a spring. You can also use the thumb and index finger or thumb and middle finger to play the lower notes that are closer to your body. So when I play two notes with one hand, I frequently will start with my thumb and middle finger. As I climb, I twist my hand. And that's typically the way I play two notes. Also, don't forget that if you're playing in positions that are awkward, you can move your body. So if I'm playing over here, sometimes it's a little bit easier to move my entire body to the side or over here in order to get the best feel and sound and the easiest mobility around the instrument.